But I think we're all ready to hit the road tomorrow morning and cover some new territory, some new states.
Highway 2 from here to
Bellingham
Minneapolis.
to Minneapolis.
Highway 2, here we come.
All right, put some miles down. So back on the bikes we went. Out of Bellingham, we took Highway 20, which is the Cascades Highway, and we shot through beautiful woods, climbing up and down mountains, S-curves. It was a fantastic ride. We saw waterfalls, lakes, several dams. It was the perfect thing to see getting back on the bike after so many days. And for that, instead of me talking over the rest of this, why don't we just enjoy some riding and some music. That is why we ride. The motorcycle trip through a beautiful country like this, it just doesn't look like it does when we roll out of our back door here back in Indiana. Beautiful scenery, leaning the bike through all the S-curves. That is why we ride. And after riding through Washington, the western part, very mountain, tree lined, as we got into the eastern part, the terrain changed, but then we came up upon the Grand Coulee Dam. The dam that produces the most electricity of any dam in the United States right now. So we were looking forward to coming up. We thought we could ride over it, but there's a bridge in front of it. We could ride over the bridge in front of it and look back and see the dam. We went to the visitor center, got some good fun facts about it, and then we hit the road again. we would soon find ourselves in Idaho. Our destination for the night was Coeur d'Alene, a beautiful little town on the northern shore of a lake, a nice resort town in Idaho, and that was our stay for the night. We made it to Coeur d'Alene, a wonderful resort community, quaint little town, nice downtown area, several bars, live music, wonderful restaurants. Then we walked around kind of the waterway after we had dinner. It was fantastic. They did have a very strong police presence. There was a couple police boats out, lights were on, they're constantly pulling somebody over. We saw people getting arrested left and right by police. We don't know exactly what it was. And the irony was, that night when we stayed in the hotel, the police raided the room next to us and took the people out in the room next to us. So we don't know what all that was about. But outside of this fact, Coeur d'Alene was a nice place to be. And we were set to get up the next morning for another good ride.